Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your jewelry brand with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on Get Started. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Follow the prompts to complete. Next, choose a theme that represents your jewelry brand. Access the online store section in the Shopify dashboard. Explore the themes library and select one that resonates with your brand's aesthetic. Customize the theme by clicking on Customize. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to align with your brand identity. Upload high-quality images of your jewelry. Go to the Products tab and click on Add Product. Fill in details such as title, description, price, and inventory. Showcase your jewelry with multiple images from different angles. Set up collections to organize your products. Navigate to Products, then click on Collections. Create collection categories like rings, necklaces, or earrings. Enhance your store's user experience with navigation menus. Click on Online Store, then Navigation to build your menus. Organize your collections in pages for easy customer access. Integrate payment gateways for seamless transactions. Access settings and then payments to choose your preferred processors. Enable Shopify payments, PayPal, or other options as applicable. Optimize your store for SEO to attract organic traffic. Visit the online store settings and focus on meta titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords related to your jewelry niche. Install essential apps to enhance functionality. Go to the Shopify App Store and explore options like email marketing or reviews. Integrate apps that will aid in inventory management, marketing, or customer support. Set up social media accounts to promote your brand. Link your store to platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Utilize these platforms to showcase your jewelry and connect with customers. Launch your store by removing the password protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.